2006 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. HEMI. All right. Yeah, boy. We got stock converters there and there. Then it's widened into a single, and we continued it with 2.5 all the way back into a thrush muffler, something different. Part number 17650. If you guys want it, you'll find the link in the description for this thrush muffler. Then a 2.5-inch tailpipe, and we reused his existing tip, MBRP. Can never say that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Came out really nice, really pretty. Got a nice lift kit on it. Right there. There it is. What do you think? Sound decibels, go ahead. 97, 98. That's sound decibels on it. Go ahead and back it up. And it gets a little bit louder about 30 days. It'll get even throatier. Thrush. That's what them thrush sound like. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's do it 8. All right, bro. Bye.